So solution from here. First of all, let us cross multiply. So we're going to have k squared times k squared equals 6 times 6. Now from here, we have this to be this. We can have this as k, since it is repeated 2 times, as 2 plus 2 equals 6 to the power of 1 plus 1. So we have k to the power of 4 equals 6 to the power of 2. Then we can simplify this 4 as k to the power of 2 times 2 equals 6 to the power of 2. So from here we have k to the power of 2. We can interchange this as 2 to the power of 2 equals 6 to the power of 2. Because when we have a to the power of m times n equals to the power of a to the power of m to the power of n. So taking this one here, we have k to the power of 2 to the power of 2 minus 6 to the power of 2 equals 0. Now, from difference of 2 squared, when you have this, it simply means a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. We have it to be k square plus 6 times k square minus 6 equals 0. So from here we have k square plus 6 all in parentheses equals 0, or we have k square minus 6 all in parentheses equals 0. Let's define them separately by having this as case 1. Let us case 2. So from here we have k to the power of 2 plus 6 equals 0. Then when you have a equals as root a to the power of 2, which is, I believe that this, we cancel out this. So this will be k square plus root 6 square equals 0. So take this one here, we have k square minus root 6 square. So now this, we cancel out this back. We have k square minus 6, taking the square root, we have k root of minus 6. Then this will be k root 6 times root of minus 1. We have k root 6i. Then from here to for case 2, we have k square minus 6 equals 0. We have k square minus root 6 square equals 0. Then a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. This will be k plus root k plus root 6 times k minus root 6 equals 0. So from here we have k plus root 6 equals to 0, or we have k minus root 6 equal to 0. And this will be equals k equals minus root 6. This will be equals k equals root 6.